In today's video, we are going to discuss control valve troubleshooting when control valve is not operated at 4 to 20 milliampere signal. How we will solve it? We are going to discuss this point. We all know that control valve is operated at 4 to 20 milliampere signal, and when it is not operated at that signal, what will be the problems and what can be the solutions of that problem? We are going to discuss. Let's start. The main problems that may occur in an electro-pneumatic positioner. Now we will see the main problems that may occur in electro-pneumatic positioner, that are air tube leakage and exhaust problem. We have already discussed these problems in the last video. I will provide that video in the description. That video is available in Hindi language. Now we will discuss the solutions of these problems. The first solution is check air leakage. First we will check air leakage, and the another solution is by cleaning, and the another solution is by adjustment using screwdriver. Now we will discuss one by one solutions. Some of our friends comment in the last video to provide the video regarding the solution. Now we will see the solutions one by one. The first solution is check air leakage. Now we will see air leakage check. We will check the air leakage if any. We will check any air leakage. How we will check the air leakage? Now we will see. If the control valve is used in a silent place, then we can listen the air leakage noise. Suppose we are using the control valve in a silent place, then we can easily hear the noise of air leakage. If the control valve is used in a noisy place, we will check the air leakage by using our hands. If we are using the control valve in a noisy place, then it is not possible to hear the noise of air leakage. Then we will check the air leakage by using our hands. We will put our hands near the air tube and we will check the leakage if there is any leakage or not. If there will be any leakage, we will resolve the problem. Now the next problem is the exhaust problem. Here you can see the electro-pneumatic positioner is shown in the diagram. Electro-pneumatic positioner has a small hole for exhaust the air. Electro-pneumatic positioner has a small hole in this area for exhausting the air. When we are providing the signal to the control valve, the signal is provided 4 to 20 milliampere signal is provided from this point. When we are providing the signal to opening the control valve, the air will be exhausted from this point. Now the solution for the exhaust problems. Now we will discuss the solution for exhaust problem. The first solution may be adjustment using screwdriver. We can use a screwdriver. Another solution is by cleaning. CRC spray. We can also use the CRC spray for cleaning purpose. Now we will see how we can resolve the problem by cleaning. There may be some dust particles so that the exhaust may not be proper. So these particles must be cleaned. In the electro-pneumatic positioner, there may be some dust particles in this area. There may be some dust particles that may create problem for exhausting. So we must clean the dust particles. Here we can use the CRC spray. You can see in the animation. CRC spray is used to clean the dust particles present in the electro-pneumatic positioner. So the dust particle present in the electro-pneumatic positioner can also be cleaned by using the CRC spray. We can also clean the hole by using a thin wire. We can also use the thin wire to clean a small hole. Suppose we are using the CRC spray and this is the CRC spray bottle. We will use the CRC spray in this part to clean the dust particles. and we can also use a thin wire to clean a small hole. Adjustment using screwdriver. Now we will see how can we use a screwdriver to adjust. We can also use a line tester or a screwdriver for exhaust the air. Here you can see that we can also use a line tester or a screwdriver. How we will use the screwdriver or line tester? Here you can see we can use the screwdriver or line tester on this screw, and we will adjust this screw slowly. This can also resolve the problem of exhausting. So this was our video. Thanks for watching the video.